Hi guys, I'd like to apologize. I said that I promised to be uploading videos every Sundays, but then I skipped last Sunday, and it's largely due to I think it's 2 Sundays. I sleep like 2 Sundays, and it's largely due to the workload, exams coming up, tests coming up, and I'm just trying to just catch up, and I tend to get too engrossed in what I'm doing, and then the time will be fast spent, and I'll probably for me to sit down and then record a video, edit it for long as when I could just use that to cover a little. It still feels a bit I'm not serious and also I apologize for that, but then I already came up with a plan that will allow me to be posting more videos constantly. One of the plans is this of probably me recording the videos at night, when I'm free at night, or even when I'm not free. But I think I'm more active at night than during the day. So this video is not really is unplanned, but there was something I always wanted to share, which is how I've been studying recently, exactly for my anatomy, not just for my anatomy, for almost all the courses. So I think it's very important for us to organize the information that we'll be putting into our brain, because disorganized those information is more like giving your brain extra work to do. So once you organize those information, for example now, in lower limb we have different regions in the lower limb. We have the gluteal region, you have the thigh, you have the knee, you have the leg, you have the ankle, and then we have the foot. I think we have 6. Now, it's the best way to understand if you are trying to study, just study right from the first part. You can probably start from the gluteal or the thigh. It's basically have to follow a certain order, so that when you want to go over it, because most of this information are very very bulky, it will be very easy for you to actually go through those information. So I would want to relate it to UTME students. For UTME students now, you have your physics, you have your chemistry, you have your biology, and if you check your syllabus, they already did a very great job by actually helping you to organize them. But then for your own personal sake, you can still more reorganize them to suit yourself. For example, there are some courses, there are some subjects, there are some topics that okay, it's there's this transition that comes. There are some topics that more flow along. So the best way to just identify the flow and then just jot your notes according to that flow. So when you are revising, it becomes way easy for you to actually revise and then remember some of the stuff you learned. So that's one of the things I want to share. Organize your jottings, organize the information that you are putting into your brain, and organize the information that you are putting down as well too. So see you guys when I see you guys.